Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for services and restaurants according to delivery fees on the DoorDash application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and after that you should see this delivery fees section in the middle of the screen. That's the first option, and here you have a scale in which you can indicate the amount of delivery fees. As you can see, it varies for each restaurant based on your location and other factors, so it ranges from $1 to $5+. So click on the relevant point and then click on the view result button, and you will be able to see the available restaurants and services according to the delivery fee that you have set. As you scroll down, you can see that there's 100 results, so scroll down and select the restaurant that you like the most. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.